Namaste everyone, welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and today we're going to do Nadi Sodhan Pranayama with Kumbhak and Jalandhar Bandha. So let's begin.
If you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe and click on this bell icon and stay tuned.
Find yourself comfortable in any comfortable position. Make sure that your back, neck and spine is straight. Hands either on the knees or in front, wherever comfortable. Take a few long deep breaths and allowing yourself to relax with each breath you exhale. Now make your right hand into Vishnu Mudra. Take a long deep breath into your abdomen. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now breathe in and breathe out completely. Close your right nostril. Breathe in left. Hold. Lock Jalandhar Bandha. Open and exhale right. Inhale right. Hold, lock. Open and exhale left. Inhale left. Hold. Exhale right. Inhale right. Hold. Exhale left. Inhale left. Hold. Exhale right. Inhale right. Hold. Exhale left. Inhale left. Hold. Exhale right. Inhale right. Hold. Exhale left. Inhale left. Hold. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Drop your hand down. Keep your eyes closed. Sit quietly for a while. Become aware how the movement of energy started in your body. And how does it make you feel? How your mind and body relaxes and comes at peace. And gently rub your palm together. Bring them on your eyes, on your face. Give gentle massage to your face. Thanks and pray pose. Very slowly and gently open your eyes. So that was the Anulom Vilom, also known as alternative breathing or Nadi Sodhan Pranayama with Kumbhak and Jalandhar Bandha. You can practice between 5 up to 12 rounds or more depending on what level you are in pranayama. So the more you advance, the more breathing exercise you can do. So if you are a beginner, start with 5 rounds. If you are more intermediate, then do 8 or 10 rounds and continue this way. Also, make sure to practice other pranayama before going into Jalandhar Bandha and Kumbhak, because the holding the breath and the Jalandhar Bandha comes in advance part of the pranayamas. Keep me posted how it's going. If there's any difficulty or any suggestions or any other thing that you need, let me know by commenting below. Thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit, and I hope to see you in the next video. Namaste.